Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your GMC Sierra oil light. First, turn your ignition key to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, fully depress the accelerator pedal 3 times within 5 seconds. Make sure your vehicle is in park before you begin this process to ensure safety and proper function. This initial step prepares your vehicle for the reset sequence. After depressing the pedal 3 times, hold the accelerator pedal down until you see the oil light begin to flash. This flashing indicates that the system is recognizing your reset command. Once the light starts flashing, you can release the pedal. Finally, turn the ignition completely off. This action saves the new setting and completes the oil light reset procedure for your vehicle. Now, start your engine to confirm that the oil light is off. If it remains illuminated, you may need to repeat the steps carefully. Always check your engine oil level and condition regularly, even after a reset, to ensure proper lubrication. If the light persists after multiple attempts, it could indicate a more serious issue, and professional inspection is highly recommended. Regular preventative maintenance is crucial for your vehicle's longevity. Make sure to perform oil changes every 3,000 to 5,000 miles, or as recommended by your owner's manual. Using the correct manufacturer-recommended oil type is also vital for optimal engine performance and protection. Remember, a well-maintained engine runs more efficiently and reliably. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other great deals you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.